I have received a lot of video requests on my channel and I'll be covering out each and every topic step by step as and when I feel I am eligible to talk about it. So in this video I have spoken about why you should grab all the opportunities you get in your college and raise your hand for it. So this is something what each and every student should know and practice, I guess. So I've made a small video on this. Make sure you watch the entire video, and that's all. Before I begin, let me tell you guys one thing. This is not a motivational video. This is something I have personally experienced and want you guys to know about, as I hope it will help you in your college. Recently, I came to an important realization that if you want something in your personal or professional life, hard work is not enough. You have to ask for it by raising your hand and stepping forward. We as students are always asked to grab opportunities, but the problem is we were never taught how to understand or recognize there is an opportunity in front of us. One person who understands and learns how to grab opportunities, he will definitely succeed in his life. To explain this in a better way, I have put an incident what I myself have experienced in my life. Make sure you watch that. It was September 14th and I with two of my college buddies were attending a game development event as a team. We had taken part only because we didn't want to lose the opportunity to learn the basics of game development. Also, we were the only team from first semester. There were many teams from various colleges across the city. The inaugural function started and one of the judges for the event reached out to the podium and asked, "Who is the best gamer among all of you present in the auditorium?" Nobody knew each other, and for obvious reasons, there is no way one can decide who is the best gamer. But one of my seniors raised his hand. The judge called him up to the stage and asked him his name. The judge then congratulated him for having the courage to raise his hand and gave him a reward of $200. Everyone in the auditorium was stunned by what just happened. The judge then told us that he raised his hand, which means that he grabbed the opportunity. He got to showcase to people sitting there that he was the best gamer, and in return he received a reward for doing so. This small incident made me realize that with just the effort of raising his hand and grabbing the opportunity, helped him gain $200. Keep your eyes wide open, you never know how things may turn out. Opportunities give you experiences, and those experiences help you lay your career plan more efficiently. Opportunities don't always have to be big. They can be as small as being a volunteer in a college event or attending a workshop. You never know what hidden skill you have inside you which can accelerate your career of a student or a professional in no time. One single workshop or event can change your life forever. So what all I have done in my first year is that every opportunity I saw in front of me, I tried to grab it. For an example of the game development event what I just spoke about, I didn't know anything about game development, but once I went into that particular workshop with two of my friends, I got to know entirely about how a game is built, what are languages you need to learn for that, and this is one thing what I know now, and the same way I tried to implement it in other fields also. There was one workshop which was held in BITS Pilani, Goa. It was an ethical hacking workshop, and the same two friends I also attended that workshop. The one reason I attended the ethical hacking workshop wasn't with a career perspective or a profession perspective. It was something what I wanted to know, and you never know, like if I had been to the workshop now, my side is totally different. I am into video editing now, but maybe if you were a person, you would attend that particular workshop, you may have liked what is ethical hacking and you may have looked towards it with a career perspective. You never know what things you are interested in, what things will interest you more. Frankly speaking, this is something I do, and I also suggest you all to do it, is that go for every competition you see, may it be online, may it be offline. Every competition you enter in your college life will give you experience on that particular field, and gaining experience is the only thing you need to learn when you are into your degree college, because after you pass out from your college, life is all about practical things, what you know. Theoretical things, many of them can learn, but knowing how practically it is done, it is very much important. This is one of the reasons why I try to go to every competition or event what comes ahead of me. So maybe this is something you also start doing from now.